Like personally, I'm not that sort of person who just go to gym every day to just wouldn't lift up weights and all. But if I love running,
So that a lot of people say it's difficulties, they get depressed, who don't know what is going like. So आप उनको क्या advice दोगी? Hi guys, I'm back with another episode with Siddharth. Hi Siddharth, how are you?
I'm always fine. You know this, Naina. I mean,
Absolutely. So Siddharth, how is life?
for me, life is always about food. Yeah, I'm always excited for morning breakfast.
What did you eat?
Today, sandwich, poka, and masala masala.
And then you're planning to have something for lunch.
I think only rajma chawal with papad.
But
And
it's mandatory for him every day we go.
Hey, I think whole world knows that I love papad. Rajma chawal with papad is my absolute favorite.
Yes, I remember you used to get it in Bonazone, so it
I
used to give me.
I remember.
Yeah, okay. So my
And I used to ask every day that had chola bhatura stay up, but you always used to stay home.
yeah, because like you used to feed me every day. If it's not possible, I would be lumpier.
You're lucky that I'm sharing my food with you. Because I'm someone and I just love food. I think I'm living life for food.
Okay, so that's my first question is, who is Siddharth beyond the time?
I think Siddharth is someone who's an extremely helpful person, but in my own way. Like, if you expect something beautiful from me, I will give my 100% to give to you. But I don't believe in one fact, that is, if you're believing in spreading some toxicity with me, I'm not there. Because for me, life does not contain any negativity. It's only about positivity, happiness, kindness, affection, and being confident in your own way.
Absolutely.
So I believe that relations are not about that you're just spreading unnecessary shit with your family or friends. It's about spreading love, spreading your own personality, जिनसे आप अपने family को और better बना सकते हैं, अपने friends को और better बना सकते हैं.
Yes.
Giving your best version.
I agree. So Siddharth, I know you have a journey from being a little healthier to this.
I think I'm still healthy. Yeah, I'm still healthy.
Then no, you were 98.
Yeah.
And now you are.
Around 70-80.
So how did this transformation happen?
See, when I was 98, my confidence was this, my aura was this, and when I'm like around abhi 80, my aura was still the same. Because I think that what reflects outside is your inner glow.
Absolutely.
How much you believe in yourself, how much you believe in your thinking. If you believe in yourself that yes, everything is best around you, you're getting the best what God could give you, I think आपके अंदर contentment रहेगा, आप खुश रहोगे, and you're happy, you spread happiness everywhere, and आप क्या आस-पास वाले लोग की खुश करते हैं, so you become a happy reason for thousands of people around you. So उससे बस क्या भी हो सकता है. So मेरे एक ही फैक्ट रहता है that आप मोटे हो, पतले हो, गोरे हो, काले हो, nothing matters. एक ही बात मैटर करता है that आप अपने आप पे कितना भरोसा रखते हैं, how much smartness you are ready to give to yourself first, and जो आप अपने आप को देते हो आसपास रिफ्लेक्ट होने लग जाता है. It depends on your own thinking.
So Siddharth, for our viewers that ask this question, this transformation that you said, there are a lot of people who are trying to reduce. And there are also people who are insecure about their being. So what lessons would you like to give them?
First of all, I would say that if you're planning that अभी जाना है, weight training करना है, ये भी करना है, वो भी करना है, I would say that आप अपने अंदर वो passionate energy रखो, but आप देखो what is your strength. Like personally, I'm not that sort of person who just go to gym every day to just wouldn't lift up weights and all. But if I love running, so मेरे लिए ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन रनिंग की वजह से ही हुआ. बिकॉज आई स्टिल रिमेंबर आई यूज्ड टू वेक अप 4 AM in the morning. Who would believe I wake up at 4 AM in the morning? But
Hardly.
but I used to wake up, and I still remember I used to just बोलते हैं ना, हेडफोन लगाता था, आई यूज टू लिसन करीना कपूर का बहुत सारा गाना बिकॉज करीना इज माई absolute favorite. I think she's someone who's the queen of Bollywood, who's the queen of world, and I think was an inspiration for not just for me, for each and every people in this world, because she's someone just completely confident, a beautiful queen, a magical personality, and I love her. And if she's watching this, I love you.
And I really love her expression. She is an expression queen, right?
She's queen of this world.
Okay. So, what made you choose this path of acting? Like, how did you start your journey?
See, first of all, I'm someone who's like jack of both and a trades, mastering lot of things. I'm not someone जो एक चीज़ों पे खुश रहता है. I think life is not just about one thing. There should be moderation about your family, your food, your friends, your work, and everything. And then आप अपने इमोशनल स्ट्रेंथ के साथ, अपने पैशन के साथ, अपने करियर को जितना दे सकते हो उतना दो, एंड उसके बाद जस्ट लीव इट ऑन गॉड. वो जो कर सकते हैं वो कर गए. वी आर नॉट इन एनी कॉम्पिटिशन, वी आर जस्ट एंजॉइंग लाइफ, वी आर लिविंग अ जर्नी. उसको हम कितने खुशी से जीते हैं, दैट्स व्हाट मैटर्स. एंड फॉर मी एक्टिंग इज ऑल अबाउट वॉचिंग टीवी सीरियल्स, वॉचिंग करीना मूवीज, बिकॉज आई हैव डन दिस सिंस माई चाइल्डहुड. आई थिंक I enjoy this. Actually, watching television is my most favorite thing, and watching Kareena movies are my most favorite thing.
So, Siddharth, a lot of people face difficulties, they get depressed, they don't know what to do in life. So, आप उनको क्या advice दोगी?
I would say that if you are sitting in a room, आप अपने घर पे बैठ के वो है ना overthink कर रहे हो, that आपका ये सपना नहीं पूरा हो रहा है, वो सपना नहीं पूरा हो रहा है, ये लग्जरी नहीं मिल पा रहा है, वो लग्जरी नहीं मिल पा रहा है. There's always an inspiration around you. आप पता है बीचेस जाओगे, जैसे बलून वाले भैया जो अपना घर चलाने के लिए, अपना खाना पीना चलाने के लिए, ही इज डूइंग दैट वर्क. सो आप एक बात बताओ, आपकी इंस्पिरेशन तो आपके आसपास ही रहते हैं. और दरबान जी आपके बिल्डिंग के, और हमारी जो स्पेशल दीदी रहती है जो हमारे घर पे काम करती है, उनसे बड़ा इंस्पिरेशन कौन हो सकता है? दे वर्क एवरी डे, 7 days in a week for food, for basic things. So आपको ऑलरेडी बहुत ज़्यादा ब्लेस्ड हो, भगवान ने आपको इतना कुछ दिया है. अगर आपको कुछ करना है, प्रे करो, वर्क फॉर इट एंड लीव इट ऑन गॉड. यू आर नॉट इन एनी कॉम्पिटिशन, यू आर लिविंग अ जर्नी टू एंजॉय.
इससे पहले कुछ नहीं हो सकता, होता चाहे जीतने की कोशिश करते.
सी आई बिलीव दैट कि होता, बिकॉज आई थिंक वी आर ऑलवेज इन द बेस्ट फेज ऑफ आवर लाइफ. कितना बार होता है आपको पता है, आप जल्दी निकल जाओ, जैम में फंस के लेट हो जाओगे, बट अगर आप अनइंटेंशनली आपको अगर लेट हो गया निकलने में, बट आप जल्दी पहुंचे. आई नॉट से कर लेट निकलो और आप जल्दी पहुंचोगे, बट व्हाट यू हैव, द एनर्जीज यू हैव, जितना आप दे सकते हो वो दो. बाकी छोड़ दो. बाकी अपने अंदर सेटिस्फैक्शन हमेशा रखना पड़ता है कि सब कुछ बेस्ट हो रहा है. यू आर योर ओन टीचर. नाउ जस्ट इफ यू आर फूलिंग योर माइंड, यू आर ट्रेनिंग योर माइंड, और यू आर लिविंग योर माइंड. But anyway, you have to keep one fact, that is, खुशियों में कभी कमी नहीं होनी चाहिए. You have to be happy.
So now my question is confidence, fame and fear. Like as an actor, confidence is everything. But Siddharth, there are times when you feel doubted about yourself. Has that ever been?
I don't doubt myself. I don't even want to enter the doubt era, because doubt era is something, is not my city. My city is just spreading happiness, believing in myself. Whatever I can do, I'll do, and just forget everything.
So Siddharth, we have judgmental society. Okay. So how do you build and protect yourself? Confidence in the industry.
First of all, 1,000 marks does not even exist for me. If I love 10 people, 50 people, they exist for me. I love them. And you know, even if you are trying to fool me, then also I'll only give you love, because that is my personality, giving love.
So fame brings both love and criticism. So you tell me, how do you handle both sides?
आप देखो क्रिटिसिज्म आ किससे रहा है. एक डम माइंड आपको क्रिटिसिज्म देने की कोशिश कर रहा है. इफ दिस डमनेस हैव हेल्प यू, देन इट्स नाइस. But if that person even does not know anything, how that he or she can help you? Just tell me. वो आपके कॉन्फिडेंस को क्या ब्रेक करेगा? Even for the people who's like very knowledgeable, your criticism does not matter for me. And if I can learn something, If you're seeing me in a better way, in a beautiful way, yeah, of course it will matter to me. Otherwise, I am not interested even in listening it.
So you are someone who is mostly active on social media. So has it affected your confidence or self-image, social media?
कोई रोते हुए का रीत आता है क्या? चल वो रो रहा है, एक बात बताओ, कोई नहीं आता है।
देखो नाटक करके लाओगे डालने वाले ऐसा
नहीं, बट इफ समवन इज एक्चुअली क्राइम को नहीं डाले और आप उनके लाइफ को देख के अगर सोचते हो खास मेरा वो लाइफ ऐसा, यू डोंट नो वो इंसान ने कितने मेहनत करके वो वहां तक आया, वो जर्नी जो वो जिया है वो इंसान जान।
बट आजकल सोशल मीडिया सब फेक हो चुका है।
But you should celebrate each other. That's what matters the most. That if you're celebrating A, you have to celebrate B, C, D, E. A के बाद ही B, C, D, E आएगा। If you just आप अपने आप को celebrate करो, सोचोगे that आप alphabets को रोक दोगे, it's always about coexisting. Live and let live.
So आपके लिए what does the tag mean? Being famous is a validation, influence or impact?
Being famous is something you create around you. You have to first feel that you are famous. Okay? You can be famous for a lot of things. If you are a motivator in someone's life, आप उनके लिए famous हो because आप उनके life पे उजाला दे रहे हो. अगर आप
आप हमारे टाइप
Thank you so much. And even you, I think I would really want to tell all the viewers that Sneha is not just a friend to me, she's a sister to me, and she's someone who is always there for me, just a call away.
Siddharth, so tell me what is more important for you, being loved or being famous?
We love. आप famous कोई भी चीज़ों के लिए हो सकते हैं, but if you are young, you get that ability to get famous.
Also, if people love him, they will get all his favorite spiced up का खाना and burger, rajma chawal. ऐसा तो और नहीं डालेंगे.
If you are in my family, if you are my friend, if you are in my team, you will get to eat the most delicious vegetarian foods. Because I'm a pure vegetarian, so yeah, that's true.
Like आदत हो गया मुझे भी.
Yeah, and she's someone who maintains this. So I just yell this thing.
Or this. Even all of my friends are vegetarians and I just eat vegetarian.
I think veg foods are just completely nice. It's so sattvic, and when you eat sattvic food, you feel like sattvic. So
And so this is our favorite restaurant in Kolkata and in Mumbai.
My favorite restaurant in Kolkata is Spice Club, which I think everyone knows.
Your favorite items from there which we always order.
I think the Arif starter, the dal akhi, paneer butter masala, cheese naan. I think Siddharth here.
Your favorite.
I think we need to go.
Tasty order them up.
Papad, I think we need to go. We need to go and have that food.
Papad.
Because I love papad. I can have 10 papads also.
And in Mumbai, I guess.
High point.
Yeah, I love Maharaja Bhog also, but High Point. I love dal khichdi of High Point because I'm someone who loves dal khichdi, rajma chapal, cheese naan, dum mithni, paneer, aloo big papad. I think this podcast should be just about food, food because I love food. I love food.
So Siddharth, how do you stay grounded amid getting so much attention from people who love you, or as well people who know you as Siddharth Shell?
I think just know one fact. What you give, you get. आप प्यार दोगे, आपको प्यार मिलेगा. आप घमंड दोगे, आपको घमंड नहीं मिलेगा. So what जो आप देते हो वो आपको वापस मिल जाता है. So being grounded, being humble, being kindest is not you're doing something, it's the basic which you have to do.
So Siddharth, how is your relationship with your friends and family, and how do you keep it real?
I think being real is being there for them when they need you. Always being very loving towards your family. I would say love your mani, love your dadi, love your masi, love your papa and mama, because I think they are someone who's your two angels of life, two diamonds of life. I think आप जिंदगी में बहुत कुछ कर सकते हो, बट नानी और दादी एक ही होती है. तो आई थिंक उनको बहुत प्यार दो एंड जितना उनसे प्यार ले सकते हो, बिकॉज आई थिंक गिविंग लव टू योर ग्रैंड मदर और ग्रैंड फादर इज समथिंग शुड कम फ्रॉम योर इनर हार्ट, एंड आप उनको जितना प्यार ले सकते हो उनको.
So what's a personal challenge or low point that has taught you the most?
if I tell you, is, there are people who want to live life. That is the value of life. And value of life does not mean that you have to be a certain person. तभी आप जिंदगी जी सकते हो. No, it's just about being who you are.
But do you think being accepted by everyone? Because not every family members accepts the way you are. They want them to वो मतलब अपने उनके हिसाब से चलो. There are a lot of families. So what would you tell them?
I think try to convince them in your own way. अपने आप को जो आप
Because I also got
वो बताने को रॉयल
yeah.
जो आप खो हो रहो. I think you should not change for anyone until if it's for your good. आप जरूर बदलो. But who you are, where you
There
are.
are certain people who want you to be according to them. So do you think it is correct?
You will try to change them according to you.
They won't be.
We should also not.
Okay, so that. So what's one habit or ritual that has changed your life for the better?
It's like it's what I do since my childhood. It's like playing to God. प्यार दो इस दुनिया में प्यार दो. वर्ल्ड नीड्स मोर एंड मोर लव.
Which we
आपके एक काइंडनेस से, आपके एक गिफ्ट से, आपके एक अच्छे कार्यवाल से किसी का दिन बन जाए. इट कैन बी द बेस्ट गिफ्ट फ्रॉम गॉड टुवर्ड्स यू एंड द पीपल.
Yes. So you are very confident, and there are also people who are not confident that anything they do, not just about their dreams in life. Even किसी को कुछ बोलना होता है, so they feel very like traumatized कि भाई बोलो क्या reaction होगा सामने वाले का. So what do you think?
See, for me, I'll just say this clearly that when somebody tries to change me, I'll sit, I'll listen that with a very kind smile. For just a second, I'll even pretend that I'll change for them. But the next second, you'd see me the same way. Because why will I change? Why will I change? If I believe, मुझे खुद पे भरोसा है, वो यूनिवर्स और भगवान से वो कॉल आ रहा है that I'm on the right path, then I'm on the right path.
Yes. So Siddharth, I would like to ask you about your life in Mumbai versus life in Kolkata. What are the changes that you feel that Mumbai has and Kolkata doesn't? Kolkata has, Mumbai doesn't.
See, Kolkata, where I live now, I'm just like packed with love and blessings. Either it's from my family, either it's from my Damanjis, either it's from my प्यारी दीदी लोग. And I think सब मुझे इतना मेरे लोग आए कि मैं इतना प्यार देते हैं ना that I feel like I'm the top prince of the whole world. And Mumbai में when I go, obviously I get lot of love there also. But I think वो मेरा कर्म भूमि है.
The very professional place.
Yeah, but the people are also very nice. They're very friendly. They try to help you as much as they can. But वो रहता है ना जहाँ पे आप पैदा हुए हो तो वो जगह से आपके अलग ही प्यार रहता है. And I think living in Kolkata is the biggest blessing of my life.
One word that you will describe Kolkata
Kolkata,
and Mumbai.
dream.
Okay. So here I have a rapid fire round with you. Manifest and shine. Which one will you prefer?
Manifest, no? Because if I manifest for shine, I shine then.
Confidence or talent? One matters.
Confidence. If you are confident enough, if you believe in yourself, if you know yourself, you feel a king. And when you feel like a king, you'll behave like a king. And king will always make a palace for them.
Yeah, absolutely. So your comfort food after a long shoot or a long tiring day?
It's something very masaledar, tasty, chapak-patak vegetarian food. Like I love samosas. I love samosas because I think मेरी मम्मी का favorite है samosa. I love samosas. I love North Indian food. Dal makhni, paneer, cheese naan, papad. I just love all these.
So Siddharth, I will ask this question, a quote that you live by.
I live life to eat food.
One role you wish you had played.
One role, whatever performance I do it. So I play the role of a very nice human being every day.
Okay. One word that describes you.
That is, don't add days to life. I think add life to days. Just live every day. Give everyone love जितना आप दे सकते हो and just अपने ज़िंदगी को एक परिभाषा दो. That is, giving love to people.
What one piece of advice you would like to get the child within yourself?
The child,
Within yourself.
one advice. I think more advice and looks.
So, which moment of your life would you cherish the most? School days, college days, or work life?
I still meet my school teachers. I'm still connected with all my school friends. I'm still in connection with my college teacher, college friends. I live 2007 life right now also. So I think 2015 life also right now. 2024 life also right now. So I'm in my present. I'm connected to past and today both.
Okay. Which is your dream destination outside India?
London.
Oh, have you been there?
Yeah, I have been, but I was there for a very short time. I want to be there for a
So, how was that moment? Like, even I want to go to that.
Because London is completely beautiful. London is completely beautiful. It feels like that you are staying in a palace.
And apart from London? Apart from. Okay. So, if I give you an option between choosing life in India or choosing life in London, which one would you choose?
India.
Okay. Outside Kolkata and Mumbai, is there any other industry that you would like to work in?
I think Anshika it's all pan-India.
Yeah, but
So-
people for Kichikis and South movies as well.
Yeah, I think if something is written for me, if something is good, okay.
Okay. So, describe your school journey at college.
My school journey has always been very beautiful, very magical because my teachers, they have always been very loving towards me. तब भी और आज भी और हमेशा रहता है. So I think I have always been a teacher's child जो हमेशा फर्स्ट बेंच पे बैठता था, टीचर के प्यार पे रहता था. And I love my teachers and I'm always in connection with them.
And a college?
College, so at the college I met such a nice friend who's a sister to me, that is Seha Didi, doing extremely well.
There are viewers about how did we meet? How did we meet? You know?
I remember we were giving, I think हमारा film studies से exam था, entrance exam था. I was writing my answer और वो मेरे, I still remember your expression. मेरे पास में बैठी नहीं थी. I was writing the exam and passed it. I just looked at a paper because मैं वो आंसर लिखने का I सब कुछ नहीं पता लिखने के. This girl was just completely an extrovert who's like completely someone जो एक अलग ही high energy पे रहती है. अपने पेपर को पूरा छुपाया ही, ऐसे छुपाया पेपर को कि जैसे I'm going to eat your paper. And just look at her right now. Look at her.
But the funniest part is he passed it the exam and I didn't get selected in the film studies.
What other? After getting also film studies, I didn't accepted it because it was very hard.
मैं तो पूरा खास लिख के आऊंगी ये तो लाइक आधा पेपर छोड़ के आया नहीं कौन से लिख के जा रही हूँ मैं. Wow, this is like else is bad. So these people nowadays, the generation, a boy, a girl, what do you think? What is their actual responsibility to the society?
Actual responsibility to the society is it starts from home. सबसे पहले respect your mother, your sister, your family, and उसके साथ साथ आपके घर में जो दीदी आ रही है, जो काम कर रही है, ठीक है, she is someone, उनके लिए आपका सबसे बड़ा responsibility होता है because आप grown up हुए उनके हाथों पे, ठीक है. So if you know how to respect your दरवानजीज, आप दीदी जो आपके घर पे काम कर रही है, और to these special people, you get to win the whole world. आप एक रेस्टोरेंट में जाके 3,500 खर्चा कर देते हो. And when it comes, जब टाइम आता है to help your domestic help, and if you're not there, this is not called living life.
No, because they do so much for us.
Yeah.
They leave their family, they come to our own work.
Yeah.
So it's a very
Be doing something for your domestic help to the didi, to the darmanjis are the best thing you can do for the people around your society.
Absolutely. I know you from 2018. So and हमारा जो ये journey है as a friend and a brother because you are my Iraqi brother. So हमारे relations के बारे में you can tell about us you were.
I think Sneha Thakkar, the owner of Audacious Airwaves, is a completely helpful, kind person who was just a call away for me. वो अपने दोस्तों के लिए रहना जानती है. If आपको उनकी ज़रूरत है, वो अपना 110% बेस्ट देगी आपके लिए.
मैं कोशिश करती हूँ.
So thank you so much, Sneha, for always being there for me. I think you're a wonderful friend, and I think you totally deserve lots and lots of love.
Thank you.
And I wish I pray that, yeah, I think you are someone who tolerates everyone, but they tolerate your morning calls because if I'm sleeping, I don't like anyone calling me. Yeah, but yeah, I love whole day after getting up. I just love giving love to everyone I can. But Sneha, I just wish and pray that you always be very, very happy. You stay blessed with the best of everything in life, and may all your dreams come true. I think I have seen you from being a college student to a teacher, to into casting, to into direction, to now podcast, doing so many things and doing wonders. So I'm very thankful to you, Sneha, for always being there. Keep spreading love the way you do.